Why you are still not yet married? That's a difficult question to answer. I don't know why you aren't married yet. If there is one thing that there is no doubt about it, is that Allah is the most wise. Everything that He does is for a purpose. Allah knows and we do not know. Don't be in a rush to get married. Nowadays we see a lot of people getting married after a few months they are divorcing. Why is that? The rate of divorce in Islam is just going increasingly high, and that's something that's very scary. So don't be in a rush to get married. I really like what Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu anhu said. Go easy on yourself, for the outcome of all affairs is determined by God's decree. If something is meant to go elsewhere, it will never come your way. But if it is yours by destiny, from you it cannot flee. Let me tell you the story of Aisha. Aisha was so excited to get married when a man from a rich family came to ask her parents for marriage. Aisha's moms consulted with Aisha if she liked the man. Without hesitation, she said with a shy voice, "I like him, mommy." After 6 months, their marriage took place, and only after 6 months of marriage, Aisha was fed up of the man that she married. She wanted to run away from him, but couldn't. She was too scared of him. Aisha used to say, "I wish I had said no when his family came to ask for marriage. Ya Allah, please help me. Give me a way out of this marriage. This man treated me so badly." To make a long story short, Allah opens the door for divorce for Aisha. After 2 years, she got married to Ali, with whom she lives happily. Ali also was married before. His old wife showed him flames. He never had any peace at home, always fighting with her. He ended up divorcing her. That's when he met with Aisha and married her. You actually don't know what is best for you. Allah knows what is best for you. Allah will never put you in an unfavorable position. You may like something which is harmful for you, or dislike something which is much more better for you. Your situation could be like for Aisha or Ali, or it could be even worse. I don't know, you don't know, only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. I know that marriage is a big blessing. Please wait, be patient, and keep on making dua. If this meant to happen, even if the entire creation come against it, it will happen. If it is not meant to happen, even if the entire creation come together to make it happen, it won't happen. Take it easy on yourself. Be at peace with where you are in your life. Life is already complicated. Don't make it worse. Instead of making where you are bitter, make it peaceful and submit to Allah's divine wisdom. Thank you so much for watching. Jazakumullahu khairan for that. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more meaningful content. I leave you with peace and a lot of love.